Hi all, this is Sander, CEO at Unless. Due to COVID-19, digitization is growing faster than ever. It has never been more important to do business online. And the competition is steep, so customers expect nothing but the best online experience. So if you're a digital marketer, e-commerce manager or product owner, improving your digital customer journey is probably what you focus on most right now. But many of you get stuck because obstacles are everywhere. Low budgets, legacy technology, hard to reach data silos, or very expensive implementation partners can really slow you down. And that hurts your business. In your darkest moments, the only option may seem to replace your existing website with a new one. But that may take months or more, and an awful lot of money. So how about the faster, cheaper, and generally better alternative? Unless provides a plug-in digital experience platform. This means that you can keep your existing website and start making it better with new personalized content and features on your current website without writing code and, most importantly, without waiting for anybody else. And yes, those new features can use data from your existing business systems or third-party services. And no, this does not slow down your website. And yes, it has personalization, A/B testing, and analytics built in. You don't believe it? Oh, customers like A.S. Watson, Visma, or Prenatal can testify that the return on investment is huge. Still not convinced? We would love to show you personally why our product is great. Book a demo at unless.com or reach out to me directly, either at sander@unless.com or through LinkedIn.